Good morning students of class 3rd. Today is part 9. Okay. Today we start exercise 3rd. Okay. Our exercise name is addition. In previous classes we studied about additions of 2-digit numbers, okay, with carry, and additions of 3-digit numbers also. Okay, in previous classes we studied about additions of 2-digit without carry and with carry. Okay, we studied, and we studied about in previous classes additions of 3-digit number without carry. Okay, we have studied about in previous classes, but in today's class I tell you about the additions of 3-digit number without carry, with carry. Okay, both I will tell you in this exercise because our exercise depends on this. So first I tell you additions of 3-digit, okay, without carry, and in this exercise we have additions of 3-digit numbers without carry, with carry, and 4-digit number. If we have 4 digits, additions of 4 digit without carry. Okay, we study in this exercise 3 types of additions. First, without 3-digit number, additions of 3-digit number without carry, and second, additions of 3-digit number with carry, and third, additions of 4-digit numbers. Okay, 4 digits without carry. Okay students, so first of all I tell you, you can say that revisions of additions. Okay, first of all we have studied in previous classes additions of 3-digit number without carry, but in this chapter I tell you because we have some practice work also. Additions of 3-digit we can say without okay students, so don't be confused here. First of all we have studied that additions of 3 digits, okay, additions of 3 digits without 3-digit numbers, okay, without carry. Students, first of all I tell you something to started this topic. The basic knowledge you have to know that which one is ones, which one is 10. So we have studied 3-digit. I give you 3-digit example as like 387. Okay, you can write here any examples of 3-digit number. Okay, so so student, this is called ones, this is called tens, and this is called hundreds. I tell you some steps to continue the additions of 3-digit number. So first of all I take here an example. Here I write the steps and here I write the example. Okay, 127 and 8, 212. Okay students, additions of 3-digit number without carry. So here one box, here one box, here one box. Okay, this is a question how we add 3-digit number without carry. Okay, so first step first I tell you step first that we add 1-digit numbers. Okay, first of all 1-digit number. Okay, we add 1-digit number. Okay, so 1-digit number is 7 plus 2, it means 9. Okay, add 1-digit number 7 plus 2, 9, and write here in first column 9. Then second step, add 10-digit number students, I tell you about ones, tens, hundreds, okay, and you know about why I tell you ones, tens, hundreds, because this one is called ones, this one is called tens, and this one is called hundreds. So we write here that 8 ones digit number. So when we don't know about ones digit number, so how we add one digit number? So first of all we know about that which one is ones, tens and hundreds. So ones, tens and hundreds, okay students. So first of all add one digit number and then 10 digit number. 10 digit number is 2 plus 1 is 3, okay, and write in column 3, okay. Then add 100 digit number. Hundred digit numbers is 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. So we write here in third column 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Students, very easy method, additions of 3 digit without carry, very easy method. How we add 3 digit numbers? We have 3 steps to add 3 digit number. First step, add 1 digit numbers, okay, add both 1 digit number, because we have 2 numbers, 2 3 digit numbers. So first of all add 1 digit numbers, then add 10 digit number, then add 100 digit numbers, okay. So we have 3 steps. I tell you 3 steps to add additions of 3 digit numbers, okay. We write here another examples to add 3 digit numbers also. You can write here as like I will change I will change the both digits, okay. Okay, 225 plus 733, okay. We have 3 digit number. So how we write here? We have 3 steps, okay students. Very easy method, I tell you how to add. You may do 3 steps to add 3 digit number. First step, add 1 digit number, add both 1 digit number. 5 plus 3, it becomes 8, and write 8 in first column. Then read 10 digit number, 2 plus 3, it becomes 5, and write here 5 in second column. Then add 100 digit number, so 2 plus 7 is equals to 9, okay students. So write in third column 9. Very easy method. I tell you additions of 3 digit without carry, very easy method I tell you in this class, okay. So student, in today's class we have studied 3 digit number. I give you some homework according this, okay. So don't be confused students to how you may learn these types of questions and do, okay students. So I give you some homework according today's topic, additions of 3 digit number without carry, okay. So your today's homework is exercise 3.1, okay. Solve question first and second of exercise 3.1 in book and fair notebook, okay. Okay students, this is your today's homework. Page number is 18, okay. Page number 18 and 19. Solve question first and second, only question first and second. I tell you third question how we can solve third question, because third question is different from this question. So only do first and second in 3 steps. Add ones and tens and hundreds, okay. Then you can do easily in your fair and rough notebook, okay students. Thank you.
For more updates, search on YouTube RP Dular Section Session. Please subscribe the channel and press bell icon.